Hi guys, this reading is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, August 2020. Let's see what's going on. You've got Black Box, song or quote, right on time. You just walk right in. Thank you, baby. So somebody's showing up right on time. You've got the short-haired owl. Says inner peace and a sense of wonder are regained by immersing yourself in nature. So time to get out into nature. You've got the Lady of Love. She speaks of fulfillment. Her family gift, I bestow the gift of passion. My bounty flows unstintingly, renewing even as you give. The Lady of Love oversees the bringer in of the harvest. Her loving bounty is undiminished, for it is an ever-renewing resource. What are your responsibilities in this matter? On what must you trust now? Which resources have you not used yet? Who is benefiting by receiving what you lack? What brings relief in this extremity? Who is taking your goodwill without any return? Who is the one needing to give? Who wants to receive? So, somebody showing up on time. Getting out into nature might bring some inner peace and fulfillment. So Sagittarius, where you are right now, Ace of Wands, new energy. What's going on in your head? Queen of Swords, older female air sign. She might be a little wounded. Strong, she's very feminine. A strong, beautiful lioness looks you in the eye, sure of herself. People look up to the queen, but aren't always sure if they can handle her intense spirit. She isn't afraid to call a spade and has no patience for people who put up a front. So, in your head, there's somebody who can see right through things. You have the King of Cups, a older water sign male who is emotional but hides his feelings. That's in your foundation. In the past, you have the Sun, happiness, completing a task, the divine male energy, and in your future you have the Eight of Pentacles, which speaks of inner peace, work, craftsmanship. So maybe you're working too hard and need to take a break. Maybe the Queen of Swords is working you too hard. Some advice. You have the Poison Apple, toxic friendships. Poison Apple symbolizes toxic friendships or two-faced people. If drawn in a relationship spread, then there is a toxic person around. Always means there is insincerity involved. Will come up if there is a narcissist or player type personality involved, which could be either this King of Cups or the Queen of Swords, Sagittarius. Tell me more about this toxic friendship. Tell me about somebody coming in right on time. So, somebody coming in right on time, either they're sad or you're sad, but they do arrive right on time or you arrive right on time. And the toxic friendship, there's some anger involved here. Let's see if I can get one more card. Tell me about this toxic friendships with the anger. Could be somebody you work with, could be a parent. Things could have been good in the past and now it's all about work. The world. Whatever this is, could be somebody from a different culture, could be something online, but it's coming to a completion, an ending. So, you will be fulfilled. Maybe this is saying to focus more on work. Good luck, Sagittarius.